Hello guys. Welcome to Wise Investors. In this video, I'm going to show you that how much money you can make through mutual funds and public provident fund. With example. So let's begin. First, public provident fund. If you invest 5,000 rupees per month for 15 years, and you received 7.9% interest per year, at the end of the time period, your total deposit will be 9 lakh rupees. And interest will be 7,85,675 rupees. And maturity amount will be 16,85,675 rupees. It's very good option for long-term investment. And it involves zero risk. That means your investment would be 100% safe. Let's have a look on the example of mutual funds. If you invest 5,000 per month in mutual funds, and expected gain is 12% per year, investment time period is 15 years, then your estimated growth would be 25,23,000. And invested amount will be 9 lakhs. Mutual funds have potential to make money for long term. But it involves risk too. I hope you all understood the growth prospects of both investment options. See you in next video. Have a great day.